Now going to question number 9. Here we have a situation where we can benefit from getting some common denominators. Now, you can't really add fractions unless you have common denominators. One little thing I just did, if you didn't notice, is I took this negative sign and I made it plus minus. Now, those things are equivalent because if I'm subtracting, I am actually adding the negative of something. But part of the difficulty here is that this negative sign is kind of right there in the middle, and it causes confusion. Is it in the numerator? Is it in the denominator? And it's kind of hard to tell, especially for someone who hasn't seen this kind of math since middle school. So clearly putting it on the top gets rid of a lot of confusion. Remember, for fractions, one negative sign means something is negative. Two negative signs, for instance, let's say you had a negative over a negative, that would actually give you a positive. So one mistake might be to apply that negative to the top and the bottom, and that would also mess things up. But let's go ahead and start getting our common denominators now. We can multiply the one on the left by x plus 1 over x plus 1, and the one on the right by 4x minus 5 over 4x minus 5. Now, each of these fractions that we multiplied by, they're each equal to the number 1, because when you have the same number on the top and the bottom, all you have is the number 1. And when you multiply something by 1, nothing changes. But that'll help us out because when we distribute 4 to x and 4 to 1, 4x plus 4. And when we distribute here, negative 1 to 4x, negative 1 to negative 5. So minus 4x plus 5. Once we distribute, we can just bring the denominator over and we'll pretty much be done. In the numerator here, 4x and negative 4x cancel each other, and 4 plus 5 is 9 over the same denominator, x plus 1, 4x minus 5, and that'll be our answer, 9 over x plus 1, 4x minus 5, which is answer choice D here.